We will see highs in the upper 60s, some breaks in the clouds with some sunshine and a few spotty showers. Even a few rumbles of thunder possible for both the valley into the foothills. The weekend is looking a little bit warmer and also drier. For KMJ, ABC 30's meteorologist Christine Gregory.
I'm Joe Miller on KMJ at kmjnow.com or wherever you stream.
Well, MBytes tell you, crews have cleared that two-vehicle accident on eastbound 198, the Demery Street exit. Near Dinuba, crews have also cleared a two-vehicle accident on Road 72 at Avenue 424. That's good news in both of those areas. But just south of Fresno, near Carruthers, we have a two-vehicle accident at Elm and Nebraska Avenues. Tow crews are working to clear that scene now. This traffic report is brought to you by Chichen Resort and Casino. I'm Michael Reed, KMJ Traffic.
This is the place where you can dance like nobody's watching, win like nobody's business, and get away like you mean it. So come join the party. This action can't be beat.
Hey, one of my favorite local businesses has returned to KMJ. I love them. It's B&J Custom Window Coverings. Let me give you the good news. You call them now, and the installation is free. Along with the sales tax, they'll pay for that. What are they installing? How about custom shutters? Made right here in Fresno. They're not going off to China to get these. They're locally manufactured. Inside of your home, this will help you save on a big, ugly, nasty PG&E bill. They will bring their showroom to you. There's no obligation. You pick out what you want and the rest is history. But all that history stays in the United States of America and doesn't go to China. How about motorized rotary shades, cell shades, and more, but it's all local. And I'm being dead serious when I say their quality. The quality of what they do is it can't be touched by anybody. Click PNJCustomWindowCoverings.com. That's the letter P and then the word A-N-D, the letter J.com. Some people think when they mention my name, they're going to get a better deal. Give it a try. I'm going to take care of you anyway, trust me.
The life of a small business owner. Keeping the lights on, calling all the shots, and then there's workplace accidents. 500-degree ovens, rusty nails. Danger lurks around every corner. Workplace accidents can happen, but there is an easy way to keep your employees covered. Talk to your agent about workers' comp coverage from Pi, or go to piinsurance.com and get a quote. Safety first, then Pi Insurance. Individual rates, offerings, and savings may vary, subject to policy terms and conditions. Not available in all states and situations.
Passion, pride, excellence. These are just a few words to describe CK Jewelry Repair. For 34 years, owner Chris has given thousands of customers here in the Valley and beyond his commitment to excellence in jewelry repair. Repairs are done 100% on site and same-day service on most repairs. From resizing, diamond setting, front to stone tightening, he does it all. CK Jewelry Repair even makes stunning custom pieces on request. CK Jewelry Repair on Blackstone and Herndon. Online at ckjewelryrepair.com or call 999-5590.
Well, I started using it about 4 or 5 months ago, and 2 or 3 months into it, I just kind of noticed one day I saw all of this extra hair growth around my widow's peak. That hair growth is probably about 5 inches, all in that area that used to have absolutely no hair at all. I don't think I'll ever stop using it.
Fantastic results, Marcy. Harem can absolutely regrow your hair by nourishing the scalp and repairing dormant and damaged hair follicles. Made for men and women and all hair types, Harem with 17 botanical plant actives has proven safe and effective in generating new hair growth, whether it's the receding hairline, the crown of the head, or thinning hair. For a natural solution to regrow thicker, healthier hair, go to greatlifenow.com and see how you can get a free bottle of Harem today. That's greatlifenow.com. greatlifenow.com.
Get ready to make a splash this summer. It's your chance to go. And the $600,000 party on Casino is just me giveaway every Thursday and Friday through April 26th.
Thanks to our sponsor, Clausen Motorsport.
Chansey Gold Resort and Casino.
Must be full level to play. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-522-4700. This is KMJ's Afternoon Drive with Philip Teresi and E. Curtis Johnson.
I love a good do you know who I am moment.
Yeah.
It is I want to say this with absolute sincerity because we work a weird job and with weird people. It's just chock full of eyeballs, man. I really enjoy the job. I really enjoy meeting the people that listen to KMJ. I've always enjoyed meeting consume, whatever radio station it is that I them at the time. I really like the audience from KMJ. They wash their hands. They are tidy people, which was not always true with the rock station. Sometimes you got those crackly orange fingers.
Yeah, you and I could discuss some ew moments.
I don't want to totally digress, but I gotta tell a story about this poor man at some kind of stunt event that we were doing. This was back when the Black T-shirt station was out at the Big Fresno Fair. And I don't remember if it was Rodham or Bauer, but
I'm kind of charged, barely.